Hey, boys and girls, Will, just in time prepping. How are you guys today? Hey, haven't done a review in a while, so you know what? I thought we'd better get one done. So this morning we're going to review this here. It's an Ozark Mountain 5-in-1 multi-tool. So let's get to it. I'm going to point you down below here. Hold on. There we go. Let's get down here where everybody can see. There we go. Okay. And then get the other knife out to take care of this knife. Isn't that something? Okay. Packaging is always something. Okay. Looks like they included a ferrule rod in this thing, so. And the packaging is always overkill. See if we can get it out there. Sharpen my knife just like I was suggested to do in one of my other videos. Ouch. That part's out. Now let's work on this part. There we go. It's gonna come out. There we go. This is the ferrule rod. Not much of a ferrule rod, but not like my monster babe, but it'll work. It goes with it, so this here, oh, this here's a little light, looks like. Yep. There, it's looks like it's magnetic right here. But if you look, it's got a bulb in there. And on here it says on, off. It goes up to 4 power, so let's check it out. Let's see. May not have a battery in it. Oh, it doesn't need one. For some reason. Let's find out what it does. On, off. Maybe it don't work. Let's see, it might have a battery that goes in there. I see one. It shows a battery in there. Right here. Let's see, hold on. Let's see if this is... Yeah, that's a magnet. That little thing is a magnet. It shows a battery right there. Not sure. Well, we'll come back to this. Maybe I'll have to read further on the card or whatever. Because it shows you just twist it if you look. See, you just twist it. See if you can look at it. There. Shows you just twist it to turn it on and off. And it's supposed to be able to adjust 4 times. So, let's see. Oh, shoot. Stainless steel blade. Here's something about the light down here. Remove the plastic sheet before using. So there's supposed to be a plastic sheet. I don't see it. Let me show you on the back here. remove this plastic sheet before using. So it shows it. I guess there is not one because I don't see a plastic sheet. I will have to look into it. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, let's get on with the... Okay, this is the... Let's go in here. Like that. The light goes up here. That would be my guess. Like this. Like that. So you got the ferro rod. You got that. Right here, you got a glass breaker. And you got a paracord cutter right here. And the knife, I better take this off, has a bottle opener. It has, looks like some teeth right here, so my guess would be it would be for a striker to use on your ferro rod. And then this end has serrated edge right here, so you could do small cut jobs. You can't like cut a big stick or anything. And then the knife itself is very sharp, actually. You see, I don't have much hair left after all the meds I take, so... Yeah, it takes the skin off. So, actually, it's a folding knife. Block. Ouch! I just cut myself again, darn it. Well, we know it's sharp because I cut myself. Woohoo! It is sharp. Man, that's the second time I've done that on camera. Darn. Okay, back. Man, I've done that twice on camera now. That's just not right. So anyway, we know it's sharp now because it cut the shit out of me. So anyway, I'm going to try to stay away from that tip. Has a serrated edge right here. That's for cutting limbs and whatnot. Bottle opener. And then the flashlight, I will work on it. I might have to get a battery for it. But it also has the paracord cutter. And then right here, I don't know if you can see that. Let me get it up there. See it? That is a glass breaker. Also has the clip for your belt. I don't believe in them too much, but I will get me a... Get away from that thing. A leather sheath made for it so it looks nice and professional. Color's blue. Folds up. Can clip right on your pocket like so. So, okay. So I will work on this. This is the light. It says there is a plastic tab on there somewhere, but I don't see it. I think they messed up on this one here because it's showing that that plastic piece is right here, but it's not. I got blood everywhere. Get that off of there. Shouldn't be on the video. Anyway, it is. We know what happened. So, it doesn't look like there is even a battery in there. So I will look for one, and I would say that would be the con on buying this, is it does not already come with a battery. According to the package, it shows that there's one on there and that you have to just pull a plastic thing like you do on other things to get the battery to activate. Also a magnet. So it goes like this. Now you got all your tools in one. It's a multi-tool. So what we got? We got 1 glass breaker, 2, 3 the ferrule rod. Ferrule rod has a little thing on there where it'll come right out. Or not. It does. There it is. Ferrule rod goes right in. I figure after a couple of times in and out it'll probably loosen up, but when you push it in it pops, so it's not coming out. Same with the light, it's not coming out either. Okay, let me change this up here. So, even though it cut the heck out of me, I would say I will use this knife, or multi-tool, whatever they want to call it. I will use it in my everyday, and then I will do another review on it after I get some wear and tear on it. So that's the review for today. And you guys know that without you guys I cannot do any of this. Okay? And so, you know I love you. It's God bless you. God bless me. God bless USA. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.